Hello guys, welcome to Random Kids Universe, and today we're going to microwave some slime.
Yep.
So, we've been thinking that we've got lots of slime, and we have this weird gummy slime that's really not slime at all.
Because it's like goopy. Wait,
It's like
get the
weird.
slime.
It's like, and then if you see this one, if you do this with it, with this one, you just like raw. It's not very.
It
good
doesn't
slime.
smell like root beer either.
This
like-
one is scented with root beer. This one smells like really bad. So
Smells like you know
we
how
are going to kill it.
you know
'cause-
how like you get flour and then water. That's what it smells like. Flour and water and then like expired.
Okay.
Why?
Well, we're gonna put it in for 15 seconds. Follow me to the microwave.
No, we're gonna start off with that and then we're gonna
And then
see
we're
what
gonna do
happens.
the pink one.
Yeah, we're only gonna do it. Sorry. Okay.
So we are gonna do it for 15 seconds.
It does not look through. Okay, if you can see, that's the.
It just blew up. How many seconds? That was. It was only for like 7 seconds. It blew up. I'm afraid to touch it. Hot! It's hot!
Let's bring it back. Did you guys see it was bubbling? It's like. This is gonna be a very short video, but whatever.
Oh, hold the camera, Will. Make sure it's focused on the slime. Oh. Ow! It's really hot. It's so hot. It was only in there for 7 seconds. Ooh. Well, if you guys want to make slime goop, then just microwave this slime. Look at it. Ow, it's so hot. Oh my gosh, that's really weird. Okay, so
Okay, now we're gonna
now-
microwave for 15
wait,
seconds.
should we do it for the rest of the time? Yeah, let's do it. Okay, we're gonna put it in for the 8 seconds.
Oh no, the battery's almost dead on the camera.
What, really?
Okay.
Well, whatever.
Well, once it dies, we'll like. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna.
Okay, turn on.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna explode.
It's bubbling up again.
Oh my gosh. It's smoking. Ah, it's smoking. Ugh. Smells so bad. I think we need a gas mask. Ugh.
Well, I can just go like this.
Hot, hot,
You know what you can do? You can just put this up to your face.
smells like root beer. Okay, it's super hot. Let me touch it. It's so hot.
Oh my god!
Put it in this little container.
You know what? We're gonna microwave this one now.
That is gross.
Okay. Let's take a
Okay,
little bit.
so well, we have this slime, this pink one.
Let's do this one.
This blue one is very good, so we're not gonna microwave this one. This one is a little worse, in my opinion. So we're gonna microwave a little bit of it. So we'll
I
hold
feel
the
like
camera.
this one's chunky.
I don't know. Hold the camera. We're gonna microwave this much.
It's not too much.
Okay, follow me.
We can always make more slime. Do you guys want to do how to make slime video? I don't know.
Everyone knows how to make slime.
I know. We can make a special.
All right, now we watch the slime. It's not doing anything. Oh, it's bubbly! Look how big it's getting. It's like if you put a marshmallow in there.
I've done that before.
It got a lot bigger. Oh, it's so sticky now. This to this. It's like melted putty. Oh, it's so sticky.
Oh, I didn't.
Hot, hot, hot! It's so hot. Here, let me get some gloves. Here, Willie, you entertain.
Okay, so this is our blue slime right here. You can tell it's much better than the pink one because look at it. It's like weird. Well, that's an Evie's opinion. But look at this. This is so weird. Ah!
Glove doesn't get
Don't try this at home, anybody. No
Well,
one.
you can do it. It doesn't really do anything.
Just the
So
matter.
it makes it super sticky.
Just
This
don't
glove
put it
does
in
not
for.
fit me.
Sorry. Don't put it in for
Hey, put on.
30 seconds or more.
Cause did you get? I hope it got on camera how big it got. It like got huge. It was like,
Okay, so we're gonna.
do you want to put it in for more?
Yeah. But the batteries.
Okay, let's go. Come on, put it in just a little more.
We actually microwave our slime sometimes.
It makes it stretchy.
I'm gonna go in the chair so we can get a higher view. That's better.
See if it grows on there again.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
it's getting bigger.
Oh my gosh. You guys
Alright.
see it?
We're gonna ruin our slime.
Who cares?
Whatever. It's only a little.
This is part of our video.
Okay. So this slime is still warm. This weird slime. This one.
This one's. I can't even. Guys can see it.
Oh, it's so hot.
Doesn't smell like. It smells like. I think you might have juiced all the root beer out of it.
Yeah, it smells bad now. Alright, well, don't do this because it makes... Well, you can do it, but not for 10 seconds.
Or
You
more.
wouldn't believe what 10 seconds can do to some slime. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was really short, but still fun. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. And if you guys want more videos with my slime, then yeah, give this video a thumbs up. And then, so yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!